Hey guys, so here at Xtreme. Today we're going to talk about ceramic coating and paint correction. Also, we did window tint on this BMW. It is a 2023 4 Series. When the car got here, the paint was in bad condition. So we do what we do best. We did a really, really nice paint correction on it. We did a 2-step on it. So heavy cutting, polishing, and we got this results. After that, we topped it out with our C-Core Professional. We did 2 layers of that to the body. Then from there, the rims were very, very caked on. We need to pull the wheels out. We clean them really nice, really thorough. We ceramic coat the face of the wheels and we ceramic coat the windshield. After that, we topped it out with our window tint. On this one, we did our Formula 1 Pinnacle. We did 50% on the windshield, and then we did 25% on the sides. Car looked amazing. Louis did a lot of work to it. You know, it took some time to get the paint corrected to this level. So if you have a car that is looking dull, that you want to protect, you want to make it look like this, guess what? Give us a call and don't forget to subscribe.